shopping for something that we can't talk about yet. We have new company, Kunal and Mrs. Kunal. Hi guys, good morning. Today we're at IKEA because we're shopping for something that we can't talk about yet. But yeah, I just thought I'd bring you along and I'll show you what it's like because I think IKEA is the new thing in India. So everybody's like looking at it, everybody wants to know what is it. So I thought I'll bring you guys with me. So yeah, if you're interested, please keep watching and can you at least say hi?
Hi.
So yeah, we're just entering and there's too much security. So it's literally like we're entering the airport or something. So yeah, I'll bring you along and keep watching. Okay, so we're currently in the parking and I just want to come here and say that if you want to visit IKEA Ratta, you'll have to book your slots with them. Because of corona and everything, they're only allowing people who've registered in advance, and I think they have slots booked like 2 weeks in advance, and we luckily got one spot open at 11 a.m. today, so we managed to come. But if you want to book in advance, that'll be great. Otherwise you can't come to the store. You can of course shop online, but I wanted to see what I'm buying, so yeah, I just wanted to give a disclaimer that you just can't walk in for now, I guess. And yeah, let's go in. There's too much taam-jham, if you ask me. Yeah. Guys, it literally feels like we're going to the jail or being transported somewhere. Like, just look at all the security. That's the entrance.
Play area for kids.
Yeah, we can dump our kids over there and go shop. Not us, people in general. But right now we're very hungry. I'm having a cheesecake. Cheesecake goes to my heart, guys, and he's having dal.
One dal makhani, one mashed potato, chocolate croissant.
So guys, we're eating because I'm hungry. This one is now a vegetarian, so the only thing I got for myself are these nuggets. How sad is my life? How sad is my life? And the cheesecake, yum. So it's 12:20 and our slot was 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Now we only have 1.5 hours to shop, which is, I don't know, will they like push us out at 2 p.m.? I don't know. It was so strict. It took us 40 minutes to like half an hour to 40 minutes to just enter the store, and now I'm hungry, so we'll eat and then we'll start shopping. And yeah, so we're done with the food. How did you like the food? Listen, you are with a vlogger. You don't leave a place without talking about it. The food was good. That's what his expression is saying. The cheesecake was yum. The nuggets were yum. Baki to मैंने कुछ खाया नहीं. Mashed potato was there. And
Dal makhani was good.
Bas.
The tea was bad.
Bas. So can you tell them what are you looking for?
An office table for my home office.
Yeah, I like this. My sneakers are dirty, but yeah, nice. Hi guys, so it's currently 2:30 p.m. We've been here for 2 hours. I've gotten lost thrice because this is a huge store. I've heard that this is as big as 30 footballs, I guess that's what they call it. But yeah, it's that big and I keep getting lost. But we haven't bought anything yet because I think we are right now like only looking around, planning stuff. Like I have my book here, that's my other phone. But yeah, right now I'm just like planning stuff and writing things down and what do I need where and all of that. So I think we'll just do that for today, and then we can come back next time and pick up our stuff. We can like order the stuff that we want online. Anyway, so now what I'm doing is I'm just chilling. Dheeraj is going to see something, so I'm just chilling here. I'm actually resting because I'm tired. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hi guys, we're tired, and at this point being in IKEA is literally a punishment because we cannot like take a shortcut. We have to go through the entire thing to reach the exit or the billing counter, and I haven't really bought anything, so it's boring. And this one is so angry at me because I'm taking too long. Just when we thought we're at the billing exit, we're in the warehouse. Hi guys, so we're in the warehouse. I'm sitting on the trolley. I've been sitting here for an hour. This one is getting a table, and I just got some stuff. Nothing much really, just 3 candles, some glasses, some sanitizer spray bottles. Nothing fun, but yeah, so still here. Now we'll go to the billing, and I'm too tired. It's 5 o'clock. Hi guys, so we're finally out of IKEA. I mean, we've left from IKEA, and we were there for almost 5 hours, and my toenails have started paining, so we had to leave. There was still a lot that we could have seen, but I was tired, and too much. Like, it was a very big store. We took one table. We should have given it for delivery, but we thought we'll fit it in the car, but it wasn't fitting, so we had to open the table and keep it in the car. And yeah, बहुत जुगाड़ किया है हमने ये टेबल को कार में फिट करने के लिए. I'll take you with me wherever I go. And hi guys, 2 weeks later we're back at IKEA, but this time I have new company. Kunal and Mrs. Kunal, and we're back. Dheeraj didn't come with me because he's too busy, but we're back, and this time there was no checking. There was not a lot of social distancing. We were still standing at distance for the lift, but entrance पे कुछ भी नहीं था last time जैसा था. So yeah, let's go in. Okay guys, so we just had our food.
नहीं मेरा भाई बहुत बढ़िया.
I am back to pick things up. Last time I didn't really pick things up. I just checked everything out and went back home because I was so tired. So yeah, today I'm here with Kunal and Vinny. Kunal and Bhabhi, and they also want stuff for their house. And
चिकन है? ये आलू नहीं है?
नहीं, सोयाबीन मसाला.
हाँ वही बोल रहा हूँ, ऐसे कुछ था. बहुत बढ़िया है, बहुत बढ़िया, एकदम एक नंबर खाना है. यहाँ पे सारे फर्नीचर फ्री है. मेरे को बोला गया फोटो निकालो, घर पहुँचा देंगे. पैसे भी लेंगे? मजा नहीं है.
यार किससे बात कर रहा है? किससे बात कर रहा है?
पहले से मजदूर खड़ा ना काम करे बेचारा. लंच टाइम हो गया, खाना खाया नहीं.
ओह हाय अंकल.
अरे उधर देखिए अंकल. अंकल इधर दो. देख रहे जल्दी. हाँ जाओ खाना खा रहा है बेचारा, तंग कर रहे.
But right now in the market hall, I think I missed this last time. So I'm showing it to you right now. So basically you see the stuff at the showroom level and then you come down and you pick up stuff from the market hall. This is all the kitchen stuff that honestly I don't care about because I like to stay as far as possible from the kitchen. नहीं तो दूसरे लोग safe नहीं है. Hi guys, so right now it's 8:30 and the store shuts at 9 and we've been here since 2. It's a lot, okay? It's my second day at IKEA and I still can't, get through the entire thing. I mean, I know what I want, but there's only like half an hour left, so I have to like run towards the billing because probably we'll have to come back, but I don't want to. I'll just figure out a way of like ordering stuff online. I'm sorry, my hair look really bad, but that's because I'm really tired. And yeah, that's what I'm currently doing. Just picking my stuff up from these aisles, and like I bought 2 tables. I want 2 tables, so I'll just pick up those and talk to you at the end of this because Kunal Vinny are not with me because they wanted to pick up other things, and we just realized it was taking a lot more time when we were doing it together. So now we've decided to divide and get our work done. So yeah. Hi guys, we're done. It's almost 10 o'clock. IKEA shuts at 9. Look how much we shopped. And that trolley to God knows how heavy. आपको ये पकड़ो तो वो ट्रॉली अच्छा नहीं सीधा कल निकल पाओगी. I think we are amongst the last people today.
आज की आखिरी लिफ्ट थी, अभी सीधा 9:30 बजे सुबह को लिफ्ट होने वाली है. ठीक है, आखिरी लिफ्ट निकाल दो. बहुत
टाइम हो गया. Just look at all this. पता नहीं कार में कैसे फिट आएगा. We have no idea. चलो, I'll see you. The parking lot is pretty empty because it's very late and I can't handle the trolley, so I'm gonna see you later. Bye. कर रहे हो. So हम सीट को सुला रहे हैं. So we can fit these two. This is my table. This is Kunal's cabinet. This is my stuff and that is all Kunal Vinny. तो हमको ये कार में fit करना है. I will sit there.
Already इसके अंदर सामान है.
बहुत. These people have पूरा घर है इनकी कार में. There is a carton of water bottles. There's blankets. There's pillows. There's biscuits. That half of them are expired, by the way. हाँ.
कुछ भी है. पूरे एक्सपायर्ड है सारे के सारे. हाफ कुछ नहीं, मैं पहले बोल रहा हूँ.
yeah. तो बहुत हालत खराब है. खुद ही से गिर आया वो टिश्यू का बॉक्स. अभी हम इधर चीजें घुसाने वाले हैं. लुक फॉर अ प्लेस.
लेट्स होप सारी चीजें आ जाए.
Guys, just look at this. पता नहीं घर कैसे पहुंचेंगे. And this is the आगे का. Oh, I thought this was Lara. Lara. This way, and I have to fit somewhere there. But look at the car.
अरे मुस्की के बैठने के लिए भी जगह छोड़ना.
सॉरी, साउंड इफेक्ट रात के टाइम में थोड़ा चेंज हो गया. ये हमारा ये 12 नंबर 12.
लेट मी शो यू मुस्की. इस टाइम मुस्की क्या कर रही है.
ये आप ऑयल फ्री, डाइट फ्री समोसा.
जरा ऑयल इस पे लग गया है, देख लो.
हाँ.
फैटलेस आलू करी समोसा.
थक गई हूँ मैं बहुत.
बंद हो गया.